It's time to shop. Well, well. I don't need any of this, but here they are. My favorite M&Ms. We'll urgently take it. Oh no, the pack does not fit in the bag. What to do? I have an idea. Need a little slide. That's it. And now, I'll open the packaging. And the sweets will fall right into the truck. Perfect! And here we are, in the kitchen. I'll put some sweets on a plate and send them to cool in the refrigerator. And now, I will prepare all the ingredients for the cake. Butter, sugar, flour, and milk. It is necessary to set the flour through a sieve. That's it. Great! And now, I'll break an egg into a bowl with flour. It is necessary to mix it thoroughly so there are no lumps. Then, I'll add some oil, powdered sugar to the same place, just like that, and a little milk. Mix everything again. The dough is ready. It is necessary to pour it into the mold. Carefully so as not to spill anything. The dough is inside, which means it's time to send the mold to the oven. Look how it rises! The cake will be very lush. Well, in the meantime, I'll do the mastic. These are the balls I have. I'll take a board and roll out one of the balls in a thin pancake. I'll do the same with the second one. After that, I cut it into stripes and make such cute bows. Perfect. And at this time, the cake is finally baked. It's time to get it out. I put it on the board and cut off the top. Then, I divide the cake into 3 parts. I put them away and remove everything extra. And here's the cake stand. A little cream for the base, and I'll set the first cake. Now cream. And the second one. Again. Cream. And the last cake on the top. Now you need to cover the sides of the cake with a small layer of cream. Just like this. And on top too. Using my spatula. And making it perfect. And here's a surprise! I have prepared a rainbow wrapper for a cake made of mastic in advance. I'll add these cute bows to it. And it's almost ready. It's time for M&Ms. With this help, I'll decorate the top of the cake. Let there be an artistic mess. And this lollipop will complete the picture. And it's better to have 5 at once. Here's my cake, and it's ready. In my opinion, it turned out just wonderful. Thank you, friends. It was great. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of cool recipes waiting for you. I love cooking because I can't live without yummy food. Join me and don't be afraid to experiment. Write comments and see you later. Bye!